My name is Jonathan Friedland. I'm going to talk to you for a few moments now about making Aliyah to Israel from my perspective. I made Aliyah 50 years ago. I've been through many changes here, personally and professionally. At the same time, I can say I received my degrees from Yale University and NYU School of Law in the United States. For over 30 years, I acted as the American Consular Representative in the north of Israel. As such, I know what lies before you as new immigrants. And there are many things here you'll have to deal with and shouldn't deal with by yourself. It can start with renting an apartment, finding the apartment to rent, making sure the contract is a fair contract, making sure you want to undertake the obligations that are in that contract and fully understand them. Eventually that can change into buying an apartment. There too, there are different requirements, different expectations, different obligations. These are concerns you shouldn't deal with on your own. Similarly, there are questions of citizenship. American citizenship, Israeli citizenship, residence requirements, how these things pass to your children, your grandchildren. All of these are legitimate concerns, and you shouldn't have to try to figure them out by yourself there as well. The same is true for questions of banking, and how do you deal with the banks? What are you going to have to show to the banks in order to work with them, what they'll demand of you. Ultimately, you'll want to write wills, or you have wills already, and you want to make sure they're understood and they're acceptable under Israeli law. The same will be true for contracts. You look for places of work. Your spouse will find a place of work. You will find a place of work. You'll have to sign contracts. All these are issues which you will face as a new immigrant, which you may be already facing as a new immigrant. You don't have to do this alone. You can do this with the help of people who are legal professionals. Make your life as easy as it can be in this new start you've made for yourselves. Thank you.